Hi everyone, I'm Sophia here at Juvly Aesthetics. Today we're going to talk a little bit about jawline slimming. With jawline slimming, we do treatments and injections directly into the masseters, the ones that you can typically clench and grind. So with jawline slimming, it takes about 10 days to fully kick in for the product, but about 6 weeks to actually see the jaw slimming effect. A common question we get is how many units will I need for jawline slimming? On average, it'll take about 25 to 30 units each side, so around 60. Typically with wrinkle relaxers, you'll notice that those last around 3 to 4 months in other areas of the face, but for jawline, on average about 6 months. To see if you're a good candidate for jawline slimming, feel free to book a free consult at juvly.com.